Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology with the unboxing and review of the newest smartphones. Get ready to witness sleek designs and groundbreaking features that are set to redefine your mobile experience. Let's kick things off with the sleek design unveiling. Join us as we unbox these stunning smartphones, showcasing their premium build and attention to detail. It's all about witnessing the craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal of these devices. Now let's delve into the feature spotlight. From advanced camera capabilities to powerful processors, we'll explore the standout features that make these smartphones a game-changer in the tech landscape. User experience is key. Join us for an in-depth review as we navigate through the interface, test performance, and share our thoughts on how these smartphones integrate seamlessly into your daily life. Stay tuned for the full unboxing and review experience. Like, subscribe, and let's embark on a journey into the future of mobile technology together. Until next time, stay tech savvy.